Step into the Kia 2019 Forte S. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 147 horsepower, 2-liter inline 4-cylinder DOHC engine, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, Bluetooth, center console, full with covered storage and clock in dash. If you are looking for a new car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.